So, this fun monkey horror. Well, to be exact, it's still snowing. It doesn't snow right out. I'm sad. Okay, let's go. So, there's a house out there. I'm in a vent.
Let's go see what
Okay, I'm gonna go to a map. So, I can either go to Level Basic Mode, the Mine Rainy Day, Teletubby Maze V2. I'm gonna go to Teletubby. What the hell is that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What is that? What is that? What is that? What is I ate the game already! Still health. I'm gonna send to heaven in a minute, Jesus Christ. Scary monsters. Oh my god, again. You was going to take 41 hours. Oh, of course, I don't take showers.
Fun Monkey Horror 2 and
That's why I did that.
And I'm gonna be honest, I did watch this from
I'm feeling like it's gonna be a good day. Yeah. It's not gonna be a good day. It's not gonna be a good day. So that was quite the experience. Let me do a thumbs up. Let me in. Let me join a public lobby. Thumbs up. So I think I'm gonna go to a different level. I don't know what one. Like, out of all of them, I think I don't know. I think I wanna go to level basic. So this is level basic. It's got a load of weird textures and there's a hole. I don't want to get down there, but I have to. What is this? It's amazing. Yeah. I'm gonna follow these people. I bet these people know what they're doing.
Are we stuck?
Of course, all of the monsters are here.
Big song, isn't it? I'll take that. Do I really want to go back down there?
Stay with you.
I want to get back down there, but I have to. Stop outside. It's what's fun. Where the walker, blue hound collar. There's another one. So, this is just one. Blue dude goes over there. And purple dude goes over there. And red goes over there. But there's not another door. There's not another door, lad. Matey, mate. Matey, there's not another door, matey. Wait. So I'm thinking I do one more map. A few more. 2 more. I have to do all the maps. So I'm just going to do all the maps for everybody. For everybody who's too lazy to download the game and watch me suffer in these different maps. This video's going to be really short.
Can I get forefront at
I've played this before. I did play it when it was old and I got the white thing, but
What's your name?
it's gotten a new update and I forgot it. I forgot everything except something. So I'm gonna try out
No, that's
the one. I'm too lazy to cut here, so I'm just gonna jump in. I turned white again, and then I'm going to the public lobby. I don't know if should we really
Open this door! Open this door! Open this door!
grab the person?
Yes, follow me.
I can't get clear.
You didn't close it on my arm this time. This is like cave diving memes. You have to let me know music again.
Should we be? Guys, the monster's called Cupcake.
The bad thing that I the bad thing that I had to do, I had to go It's not even a jump scare. Imagine screaming and it's a jump scare. This is like a slide. It didn't slide.
Open the door! Open the door! Open
Open the door now.
Thank you!
Open the door. I'm back. If I hear him now. If I see his little light here. His precious. The blues. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me.
We gotta keep the doors open.
Kill me. I don't know how many maps are left. So I feel like probably. Actually, I think there's like 2 maps left. So I'm gonna leave.
I just break the vent.
One of them for last. I'm gonna choose the one to leave for last now. So I've done this one. Not done
I'm
this
going
one,
to
and that
Babel.
one, this one. I'm gonna leave that one for last and do this one now. Whee! Bear. I'm not gonna be in the forest. I'm just gonna be a grizzly bear.
I can go boy.
People. Oh, this one is the bear for boy blocks. I'm gonna save your food. What do you like? I'm going to the gas station.
Oh, hell no.
They need a planet. Wee. If you like.
Where am I, bro?
Literally
What is
face! Find me to the image!
It's the bear from
I'm gonna find him! Punch me! Punch me! Bite me! Bite me! Bite me in the hand! And cut off my arm! But it won't go back! But it won't go back! Bite me! Bite me! Bite me now, please! Please see when it works! My arm will always come back! I always come back! I always want to I would finally, I would get dead! I would get dead! Please, doors! Michael!
Michael! Don't leave me here!
Michael!
Michael!
Don't leave me here! Michael! I'm gonna go over now again!
Get the fuck away from me!
Give me a big hug, Mr. Bear! Give me a big one! A big
More of them! There's
My
more
God,
of them!
probably can't even hear because there's a noise in the back.
There's multiple!
Sorry. Menacingly. It's time for the last map of today's video. And then I'll stop the video and do that on the middle. Oh, talking
Come
to
back here,
Bill
bro.
like...
Come back here. I'm the fastest in the
I
world.
am going into a different
George,
map.
20 private code.
And I'm going to get scared.
George, 20
Makes
private
me
code.
too.
George, 20 private code.
I am not ready for that yet. The bad thing is there's no one here. No. Everybody's gonna run up them. I'm not going down there. Maybe next time I play this game I'll go down there. Maybe next time. Maybe next time if it's there tomorrow. Because it's to have like a rotation. You know if I'm gonna record tomorrow. But oh frick, I'm not going down there. Frick now. I'll go back down there if it's there in the next video. But I'm gonna do the outro here actually. So goodbye guys. This game was spooky. What am I doing with my hands? This game was spooky and scary because of the mouth monster in the maze. Maze on mine. This is maze, so it's just literally like a maze. I think I saw bricks, so it's just going to be a brick maze here. And I still don't want to find out what the monster is. I don't want to find out what the monster is. Now I can stay still, so I still don't want to find out what the monster is. And still want to say goodbye. I haven't been uploading. I want to upload more, but I don't have any time. Get that bloody YouTube.